Okay, so let's talk about where you are actually going to put all of your affiliate links, because as I mentioned in the last lesson, you're going to be having affiliate links for multiple different products. You're going to have your high ticket, you're going to have your low ticket, maybe you're even talking about a course or trying to funnel people into, an affiliate program, right? So StanStore is what I use. I've used websites, I've used Linktree, I've used WordPress. And those all cost me more money because I ended up having to pay for hosting and pay for a domain. I have a WordPress site right now. It's just not as easy to set up. I set my StanStore up. Now, this was when I was a total beginner, guys. I set my StanStore up in less than 30 minutes. So let me actually just show you how easy it is to do something like this. And yes, you can try it for free. I'll put the 14-day trial link. It's a 2-week free trial. I'll put that below this so you guys can actually try it and start earning your first commissions, before you even have to pay for something. After the 14-day trial, I think mine's $29 per month. So relatively inexpensive, guys, to actually host all of your affiliate links. You'll be making more than that, within your first couple weeks. So there's no concern there, but really affordable. So this is basically my page. I'm going to show you what I have, and then we're going to go create a brand new account together so that you can actually see what you need to do to create one. Like I said, this takes no time to do. I was able to figure it out as a total beginner, but I'm going to show you kind of a quick start guide on how to create your StanStore. So basically what I have here is we're looking at my completed store. Okay, so we have my affiliate links here, different products that I offer. You can use this if you are selling digital products or if you plan to sell digital products, if you sell a course, if you are using affiliate links. It's basically just a main platform where you can put multiple different links. That way, when you're creating content and you're creating videos, you can say, click the link in my bio to learn more, and it's one link. Because a lot of the times the issue you run into is that social media accounts like TikTok, Instagram, even YouTube, you're limited on the amount of links that you can put in your bio, okay? So when people are watching your video, if they want to go learn more, if they want to get this service or this guide, or they want to sign up through this company, at a discount, that's what you can offer them, but you need to have a route or an avenue for them to actually get to that link. And if you're in affiliate marketing, you have more than one link, right? You're going to have lots of different products that you can send people to, okay? So this is kind of what mine looks like. Like I said, these are fully customizable. So let me go over here and I'm going to show you exactly how to start. Okay, so before we do that, let me just show you that this StanStore is really great because they have tutorials. So if you guys don't know how to do something, they have a ton of video tutorials where you can figure out how to create whatever it is you need to create, all right? So let's go into my store. Again, this is a brand new account. I don't have anything set up. So let me show you how to actually do this. Now you can go and edit your description. Like I had on mine, I have a picture of my face, I have a little bio, I have my name, and I have a link to whatever social media pages you want to link to. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. You can put all your different social media links for people to follow you and find you on different channels. All right, so you can go in there and edit that by clicking that little edit button. Let me show you how to edit your design. They have all these pre-made templates. So all you're going to do is look for something that resonates with you, that you find attractive and appealing, and you can make this into your template. This is actually the one I used to have right here. So, we can scroll through and look at them, and then if you decide, let's say, I really decide I want this one, okay? You can go and customize them based on the font. You can change the font around. You can even change these colors if you're not digging the pink, and then you can save that and create it, right? Now you can see over here on the right-hand side of my screen, you can see like a little preview of what everything looks like as you edit it. So that's kind of nice and helpful. As you customize it, you can see exactly what it is. But that's it as far as customizing it. Very simple. If you want to add a product, let's go in here and say create your product. This is all the different stuff you can add. So like mine, I'll go back over here. I offer one-on-one coaching as well because I teach people how to start their Airbnb business. So if you want to do a coaching call, you can have people book a call with you. If you want to host a webinar and teach people something, that's a good way to, gather an audience as well. Now, if you like create a digital product or something, you can use it there. If you have a custom product, some type of subscription that you're charging them, right? Guys, this is basically where you are going to put a URL, okay? So if you're doing this for affiliate marketing and you don't have your own products, which obviously you wouldn't if you're just doing affiliate marketing, which is what we're talking about here, then you're going to just include a link, okay? So you're not trying to sell something that you own, you're trying to direct people to a link, whether that link is another course, whether that link is a product, whether that link is a coaching call with another company and not you, it's going to be through a link, all right? Anything that you create, that you do, let's say you start your own course, then you're going to go back and put a course. But if you're directing people to other people's products that you get a commission off of, everything you're going to use is going to be through links. So you don't need to mess with any of the other options, okay? You can select a image for your button. So let's say I'm talking about cameras and I want to say, check out the best camera of 2024, and it's the Sony A7, which is the camera that I have. And I want to put a link to that camera where I get paid a commission. Maybe I'll put a picture of the exact camera. You can add text. So it's obviously not going to say visit my affiliate link. You're going to say, get a discount, save 15% on the Sony DSLR. And then you're going to say, view now or learn more, whatever it is. This is going to take that person directly over to the, your affiliate link there is going to take them directly over to the Sony page where they can purchase that camera, read all the specifications. And then all you're doing is pasting your URL. This is your affiliate link. It's not going to be sony.com/camera. It's going to be sony.com/Susan/ your affiliate code. This is going to be your trackable code that you have to use in order to receive a commission. And then all you're going to do is hit publish, okay? So that's it. Once you have a couple different products, then you can always go back home and see what where is it? I guess it's your store. Yeah, and see what your store looks like with all the different things on it. Another thing I actually didn't show you. So let's go over here and hit URL. Do you see how, let's go back to my page. Do you see how these products, these links are different sizes, okay? So if you want to switch it up, then that's where you change. Button is going to be smaller. You can see it on the right-hand side. It's just going to be a simple button they can click. It has a title and things like that. A call out is going to be a bigger section where you're able to put more information, like a little description, and it's just a bigger button or a bigger, text box that you can put a button within. So very, very easy. You just set that up. Now, when you're done, you hit publish, and you make sure that all of your different products are, say they're active. You can also have drafts. If you're working on something and you're not ready to publish it, you can just save it as a draft. And that's all you need for affiliate marketing, okay? So all you need to do is create an account, put a picture, put a little bio so people know what your page is about, and you can link all your different affiliate links. You can title them, you can put a picture, you can make it look pretty, and you don't need to go pay for a domain or a hosting service, all right? So that's why I thought StanStore was so fast. If you guys have any issues on that, they have all kinds of different help videos, okay? And StanStore is very, very popular, so you can always look up something on YouTube, but this guy is their owner here. He does all their help videos and walks you through everything. But this is by far one of the most simple sites to ever use. So that's what I would recommend. If you guys want to use something else, that's fine as well. This is just what I've used, and you can get it for free for your first 2 weeks. So I will see you guys in the next lesson.